Welcome to Sitari TV. I'm your host, Tanya Gupta, and today
Hi Tanya, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So, can you tell us a little bit about your company?
Yeah, so Reflexion AI is a video tagging platform which is done using our own proprietary AI models. We focus on B2B media and entertainment space. So we have clients like production houses, post production studios, OTT, and all content creators. So we have basically created a lot of models that will help find insights out of your video, like identifying who's the person, what are the objects, what are their emotions, what are the types of shots, is it a day and night shot, is it an indoor outdoor shot. So multiple things on the vision side. On the audio side, again, we are identifying the background score, or is there an abusive language or a swear word being spoken, what are the we do generate transcription in the original language. We use services for generating translations and subtitles. So the application for the platform for our clients is generally creating quick trailers out of a long form content, because like the editor does not have to go through the entire content. They can just find, let's say, an action sequence in through the content, and they can create a quick action trailer or a romantic trailer. So we help classify genres. We also help in content moderation, because we are able to identify a smoking scene or a drinking scene, or if there's nudity. So depending on the skin exposure, we have different geographies with different thresholds. So yeah, we focused on the media and entertainment side, and we've been building all of this proprietary with like thousands of hours of data collected and annotated.
I think that's amazing. It's like, content creators have like a new tool to use now, a new helpful tool. What brings you here to Tiecon?
So we are now registered in the US, and our team is based out of Pune in India. Yeah, so the founding team is going to be moving here, and we want to be part of the Valley and the Indian community, and we'll be hiring for sales and business development in this area. So we're just exploring that.
Well, that's wonderful. It was wonderful speaking with you today.
Thank you so much, Tanya.
Thank you.